Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
The Chelsea Flower Show is the most prestigious and largest floral exhibition in the world, held every May by the Royal Hospital of Chelsea in London. Every year, the grounds of the Royal Hospital are transformed into exhibition gardens, with vibrant horticultural exhibitions making it the most famous floral exhibition in the world. This exhibition has become the most important guideline of innovation in which the emerging trends in garden design are revealed, and where new plant species are often introduced and the popularity of older varieties is revived. In the world of garden design, this exhibition is the equivalent of designer fashion shows. Upon entrance to the event, we can find exhibitors promoting different products related to gardening, such as products for its care, decoration, maintenance, as well as artisans whose designs are inspired by nature.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back.
In the center, we can find the main tent in which beautiful floral exhibitions are held. Here we can find from common flowers such as roses to the most exotic and strange flower species in the world. Each brand designs a specific theme for their exhibition, and the most creative and original themes compete to obtain gold, silver, and bronze medals.
Send me no flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, ever since the day that you went away, sending, you went away, ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
At the outskirts of the main tent, we travel along the characteristic and famous artisan exhibition gardens, which are small gardens designed specially for the event with specific themes which use different plant varieties as well as decorative items, art, garden furniture, among others.
Flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me.
The Royal Society of Horticulture has been hosting this show since 1862. It receives a lot of exposure and advertisement, and it's frequented by royal family members, celebrities, and more than 150,000 visitors from around the world every year.
Sending, you went away,
Establishments located throughout the borough of Chelsea showed their support for the Chelsea Flower Show, decorating their storefronts with hundreds of flowers inspired by different themes, shapes, and designs, which gives the streets a colorful and beautiful appearance and attract thousands of tourists to enjoy and appreciate The beauty of Chelsea in bloom season. This year, the Chelsea Flower Show started on May 21st and it finishes tomorrow, May the 26th. The first 2 days of the event are for members of the Royal Horticultural Society and tickets must be purchased in advance as they are very popular. The price of tickets for the general public is around £100 and for members of the society it's around £50.
Flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms.
This is a unique and extremely beautiful event, so if you're in London or if you plan to visit in May, I highly advise you not to miss this amazing floral show that can only be found in London.
Flowers today.